So each year, EduCo receives applications from about 30,000 students to study at our institutions around the world. So those applications are generated as a result of our global marketing. So the recruitment and marketing is a very important part of EduCo, and we have more than 100 dedicated staff in over 20 countries around the world. So those staff, rather than being based on campus and flying in and out of the source countries, we've actually based them in the source countries, such as China, India, Southeast Asia, Latin America, Africa, and Europe. And the reason we've put our recruitment and marketing staff out in those countries is so they can help support the agent recruitment network. So we believe that by having our staff set up in those countries, they can speak the local language, they're on the same time zone, and they're there to support the agent network and the students all the way through the enrollment process. So the job of those recruitment staff, first of all, is to understand how students are recruited and how they choose their institution when they want to study abroad. Their job is to attend all of the major education events in those markets, to have a network of recruitment agents that they work with, and to provide support for them. So in terms of the support that we provide for recruitment agents, first of all, we go into the offices, we meet the staff, we build relationships, we provide training material and training session on all of the different EduCo institutions. We then co-market with the institutions, so we attend educational events, we interview students, we meet parents, and we talk to them about what their options are. And then we help the applications go through the process. So in all of our institutions, application turnaround time is one of the most important factors, and our offshore staff make sure that the applications pass through as quickly as possible. And then with EduCo, the other thing we do, when the students have been accepted and they enroll in one of our institutions, we invest a lot on having on-campus support for those students. So if there is an issue, they can quickly communicate it back to the home country and resolve it and communicate effectively as possible there. So that's an important function for us. So EduCo overall, we've invested heavily in generating new applications, converting them into students, and then looking after the students when they arrive. And we believe that the single best way to recruit new students is to have good word of mouth from the current students that are studying with us. One happy student on a campus is going to tell their friends and their relatives, recommend them to come and study there. And that just keeps the wheel turning and new applications coming in as one happy student turns into 5 happy students in the future.